The UK is taking bold steps to position itself as a global leader in space innovation, merging its space agency with the Department for Science, Innovation and Technology to streamline efforts and accelerate growth. This move, set to take effect in April 2026, aims to eliminate duplication, reduce bureaucratic hurdles, and place public accountability at the centre of decision-making. But here's where it gets controversial. Will centralising space policy under one department spark debates about autonomy or stifle collaboration between experts and policymakers? Founded in 2010, the UK Space Agency, UKSA, has been a cornerstone of the nation's space ambitions, driving investments that generated over £2.2 billion for the sector in 2024-25. With 52,000 staff, including scientists, engineers, and policy officials, UKSA has focused on fostering an ecosystem of investors, researchers, and industry leaders. Its mission? To turn the UK into a powerhouse of space technology, from satellite-based public services to cutting-edge missions that explore the universe. The new structure promises to amplify efficiency by uniting the UKSA's expertise with DIST's strategic vision. This isn't just about streamlining processes, says UKSA CEO Paul Bate. It's about creating a single thread of strategy that turns our space goals into reality faster. Yet, critics may argue that merging these entities could dilute the specialized focus needed for high-stakes projects like space debris removal or in-orbit refueling. Technologies expected to dominate the £2.7 billion market by 2031. The UK government's plans also highlight a bold push to modernise regulations. Over 60 industry recommendations, including those for rendezvous and proximity operations (RPO), aim to unlock opportunities in space logistics. Three leading firms, Astroscale, ClearSpace and D-Orbit, collaborated with regulators to create a sandbox environment for testing these missions. You don't need to be a rocket scientist to see the value of space, says UK Space Minister Chris Bryant. Satellites underpin nearly a fifth of our GDP, and this integration ensures we're not just chasing dreams, but building a sustainable future. However, the road ahead isn't without challenges. As the UK seeks to lead in space sustainability, questions linger. Will this reorganisation foster innovation or create new bottlenecks? And how can the government balance regulatory oversight with the fast-paced nature of space tech? The answer will shape whether the UK becomes a beacon of progress or a cautionary tale of centralised control. What's your take? Share your thoughts in the comments below.